is okay, you can cry. It is okay, you can cry. So Esther and Ezekiel, they are here. They want to say hi. Esther, what's up?
Winnie.
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro.
I knew Ezekiel was going to start like that.
Hi, Panda.
Hey, how are you? You got a question for her? Hey, do you have a question?
Hey, Lala.
That is say yes. I don't know. No, show it.
I'm so happy. I'm good. Mom, I love you so much. I love Mama so much. I'm so happy to be speaking to her directly right now.
But we can't hear you so well. Your voice is down.
Hi, me. I can hear you guys.
Now we can hear you well.
I was saying I'm so happy to meet Mama here. I'm so privileged. I feel excited. I love her so much.
I appreciate you, baby girl.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. I love you.
Bye.
Never funny ba Winnie musoko mu muwe kubirabo anjagala birabe nga biyiika wano.
Hi, Panda.
Hey, we went to the
Yes, hi, Panda. I'm okay. Hi, Winnie. I'm screaming. I'm so excited. Oh, my God. Oh, greetings from California.
Hey, I love California.
Where are you coming? Oh, my God. I'm so happy. Oh, Panda, thank you so much for this opportunity. Oh, dear. Oh, Winnie, we love you.
What do you love most about her?
What do I love most?
Yeah.
I feel like she's one of the most, I don't know, I just love her music. I love her. I follow her on Snapchat. I just like her. She's my fave. Me and my sisters. My sister Mariam from Canada, we like your song, Somala, and you're going to sing on my wedding, my introduction. Ha! Winnie.
Where?
Very soon, Winnie, very soon.
Where? In LA?
Well, now I'm planning to come back.
Okay. But you guys start doing your mukolos there, then we come there.
Really? Yeah, sure.
I don't know why you guys don't invite us for your mikolo.
We want to, but it's kind of pricey, you know?
No, just like you save, just like you can save for your wedding.
I know. I should know that.
For the artist.
Oh dear, yeah, that's right. But I'm so happy. I love you so much, Winnie. I vibe to your music all the time, Anangi. When are you coming? In the concert?
I'll come soon.
Soon, inshallah. Okay, Panda, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kawesa.
Yes, bye-bye.
But I know this was a good thing for you to do because, man, I want to wait there. I think I would go in about Esther and Ezekiel. They are here. They want to say hi. Esther, what's up?
Yeah.
Winnie.
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro.
I knew Ezekiel was going to start like that. I feel like I've never met Ezekiel, but I feel like I know that he's always laughing.
Let me tell you. But I go, Winnie, how are you?
I'm good.
Bro, can you come in video?
Since I call a video, so I can't do it. I was outside with my friends and I told someone to use her account to talk to Winnie. Never partner live, but my account won't let me come live. I don't know why.
Okay.
Now Winnie, when I give people love, we did want you people to understand. Hey. When I go, Winnie, how are you?
I'm good. I get no man.
Bambi, thank you. When I have loved Winnie ever since when. So when he came to Canada to perform, and I went to Uganda. When I what you know,
guys, I saw you. I was like, these guys are going to Uganda. As if they're running.
I'm telling you, I went to Uganda. I didn't know the concert was happening. I found out leaving a ticket ready to say, please come back.
I'll come real soon. It's been a long time since I came to Canada.
What did you You went down, come on. Winnie, let me tell you, I'm your fan. Hey.
Okay.
But
Okay, it's so dramatic, but now,
sim meeting I couldn't hear because he's always laughing, and I feel like it would be friends.
yes,
I can just feel his energy.
I'm telling you, we could. Panda chichingo.
Oh, Ezekiel, never watch Ezekiel, Kajanja.
Chichi.
Anze, nkuletedde omuntu wuuyo ojja omunoonya.
Bulijjo gwenoonya n'otulo sifuna wangi olwaleero mufunye. Woo! Winnie, I love you, but I have to go.
I know, this is hard from you. Thank you.
Panda, thank you, eh?
Okay, my guy, thank you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Winnie. Love bajja ko batya?
Bibi.
Hi, Panda.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Hi, Nwagi.
Hey, baby.
Oh, it's nice hearing from you. I'm really so privileged. I'm happy to hear you, Nwagi.
Nice to hear from you too.
Well, thanks for that great work. I really appreciate your work. You're a great inspiration for many. I'm one of your fans. I really would love your music. I love Muchsenge. I love I love Muchsenge. It's a great hit. I would love to inquire when I come to New York. Really want to watch you perform in New York City.
Every artist here wants to, the whole of America, but it's just, I have to be booked,
Till I recovered, until I moved on.
I can imagine.
So I love you so much. Thank you, Panda, for the opportunity. Have a good night.
What happened, Linda Cole? What happened to the guy?
He jacked me.
Did he cheat on you?
No, just young shower.
Bambi. Never chabakaza balungi namunya nnyo. Kale Via, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Lydia.
Yeah.
Hi, Panda.
How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you? Hi, Winnie.
Hey, Lydia.
How are you?
I'm alright.
Good. Winnie, I just want to thank you for... You're such a big inspiration. Like, I look up to you, basically. Like your mannerism and the way, you're so confident. I would love to even get a quote of your confidence. Yeah, so big up.
I appreciate the big ups.
Oh, thank you. Just one question. What has been the most challenging thing being in the music industry?
For now, my challenges keep changing.
Yeah.
So for me now, my challenges are the closet.
Pardon?
The closet. When it comes to work,
Yeah.
my outfit can really challenge me.
Wow. Oh, I thought
challenge right now.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
But we're working on it, don't worry.
Oh, but you're always looking amazing. I never thought that would be your answer.
We keep trying. We never stop trying. But
Yeah.
there are always challenges behind the scenes.
Okay. Yeah. Is it to keep up with the trend or just to...
Not really. Just, trying to be outstanding, and then sometimes you can't.
Yeah. But you're doing an amazing job so far, so don't let that put you down, because you always look amazing. No matter what you wear. You can wear a bin bag and you always look amazing.
That's your baby next to you?
Yeah, my baby, yeah.
Because people are asking who's snoring. Okay, I get it.
No, my baby is breastfeeding. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Panda, for giving me an opportunity to say hi to Winnie.
Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Winnie. Kale tugende Fire. How are you, Fire? Naye abaana abawa amanyi.
Winnie mujeko aika yebase n'okwebaka.
Hi, Fire.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hi, Winnie.
Hi, Fire.
Banange, I love you so much. But Banange, Winnie, I'm requesting one thing, please. Before you go, Bambi, is it okay like you can sing for me? There is this song of yours called Jangu. Jangu, a little bit closer, baby. That's my favorite song from you.
Okay, Panda will remind you.
Okay. Thank you.
Kale. Sheila.
Yes, hi, Panda.
How are you?
Okay, hi. You Winnie, how is life?
Life is fair. How are you, Sha?
I'm just a family.
You just a what?
Like a family. I like.
I don't know why we can't hear you saying. What?
Engage that I'm some mobile. Her life is good. Just I feel I didn't know and just keep doing that you do. Now I know that's their life.
Kale Shamix, thank you.
Okay. Let's listen music. Really.
Kale.
Thank you. Good night.
Right. Star. Yeah, I think her phone has blacked up, but she's gonna come back. Agenda Komao, she's gonna come back. She has told me the phone is she has to come back and wrap it up, so she's just working on the phone. I think is just on and off, but she's coming back. So don't go. Star. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Maybe Winnie is coming back.
Okay.
So please hold on. I think I'm gonna bring you back.
No, that's fine. I was just trolling.
You are what? Come on. You just wanted to troll?
I just went on TikTok live, so I was like, I'm back. Let me try it out.
Is this your first time? Like, it's first time ever?
Yeah, I never go on TikTok.
Where do you stay?
I'm in Canada.
In Canada, all right. Hey, man, I feel, because the time, that's why I have so many people that are out right now. The time, yeah.
Yeah, it's all make.
It's 2.
But
my God. Hey, Fire Baby.
Hey, welcome.
Fire Baby, imagine you're going to posting up Instagram. Otuposa twali cross down right munga tutavuse tujja kugoberera paka kuwulira bubi. Tugenda kugoberera bana Winnie nkwagala.
Nange mbaagala.
Bana otwagala kyenkwagala abantu bagamba you're arrogant but you're not. You love your fans.
Anange win hey.
Otwagala, we appreciate. Thank you so much, Winnie.
Anange nze wano okugamba baby mwagala nnyo.
Thank you so much,
Winnie.
Anange nze wano okugamba baby mwagala nnyo.
No. Billions.
Yo.
Yes. Sokoleke naawe nkumyutiza ate wejjayo sokoleko nayogere.
Guys.
Baby nkwagala nnyo kyekindeese okugamba.
Billions. Tuwe ku billion.
Ndi musanyufu neyanza akanda okundeetako wano ndi musanyufu nnyo.
Kale billions webale.
Anange.
Kale ero tagenda kwebaka. Kika. Jebbi kati wete. Jangu.
Hey.
Hey, Jebby.
Panda, how are you?
I'm good, Jebby. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Winnie?
I'm okay, Jebby.
Winnie, aina akagambo kayogedde akansanyudde. Simanyi nakumanya baba ka recordings agambye. Nti weba ndi naawe ng'enjala ekuluma ne ngamba kamuleka ajja funa ezize. Nga kyali ayina engeri gy'akogeddemu up to now lwenkajjukira nze kayina engeri gy'agambye bune ngamba muleka ajja funa ezize. So I just felt happy. Then n'ekirala ayina we yagambye awo nti yenga like ye okuza omwana we. Like ayina watuka nagamba nti singa mbadde nyina omuntu annyambako osagana ndi savings nze nenkola kino nakiri. So I felt proud of my mom. Kuva ku story ye nengamba if my mom managed ocraising abaana bana ate nga ye teyali bulungi nga Winnie waali kati. Neneyongera ogamba mbutuufu nempulya nga njagala namukubira mugambe thank you mami. So I felt good nendabira ddala nga ayita mu kingi naye atu inspiring nze. Kyekyo, thank you Winnie.
Thank you, Jebby. Athena. Naye request zenyina wano.
Hi, Panda.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Hi, Winnie.
Hi, Kitty.
How are you?
Hey, Chuliku Athena. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I just wanted to tell you, I met some guy, a Nigerian guy here in Colorado. So I was at the store. When he saw me, he was like, oh my God, do you know Winnie Nwagi? And he was just like singing your songs. He was so excited about you. I was like, oh my God, this guy is really loved. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know that people really love me. Yeah, Nigerian guy, he was so excited. I know.
Wow.
Yeah, thanks for the good
Send my
music.
love to him.
I will, definitely. Maybe next time if you're on, I will let him try to join. Yeah, maybe you should plan to come to Colorado.
Maybe someday.
Yeah.
Things happen.
That's very
That will
true. You
make
have
it
to be
happen.
hopeful. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, all that cholies out there. I'm an choli, by the way.
Woo!
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ale. Bye.
Kitty, how are you?
Talking about being an
I'm
adult.
fine. How are you, Panda?
I'm good. Say hi to Fire Baby.
How are you, Mama Destiny?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm sorry, but I don't know what you got me, but yeah, I can't believe what you're getting now.
It is okay, you can cry. It is okay, you can cry.
Okay. Kakanya bulungi. Singa kwagala kayimba ko kano kaze omukwano. Love.
Ate ye mute nze. Nayo mwana ono naye Kitty. Kitty ye mute nze ate. Janice, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm seeing Winnie. Oh my God, I'm super happy. Winnie, Samra, come and see Winnie. She's here. Yes, come. Okay. Greetings from Netherlands.
Can you guys come in video?
Hello, guys. Winnie, fire baby, right? Yeah, fire baby. You are